So then we can talk about what the people is. I've already sort of dropped some hints about this, but the people really, they first of all, they need to be of right nationality. So if I got a flight to China tomorrow, I wouldn't be able to vote because I'm not considered a citizen, for instance, or even a resident. And rules are different in different countries. Um, but also, as I've said already, no country allows a 6-year-old to vote. So the people is always defined quite specifically in different countries. Um, and yeah, in some places you need to be the right religion to be considered part of the voting people. So in Maldives, they have regular elections and some other features of democracies today, but only Muslims are allowed to vote. And also, you can't be in prison in most places, which is quite controversial. You're basically excluded from ruling or making decisions in most democracies if you commit a crime and therefore you're in prison. Then this is another thing you guys need to be really careful about, is not conflating democracy, which is a relatively specific thing, the rule of the people, with loads of other stuff that is associated with democracy that you often see in tandem with democracy, but it isn't the same thing. So this is a quote from Schumpeter, who's a very famous political theorist and economist. And this is just an example, there's loads of stuff that we associate with it. But if most people say, I believe in democracy, they're often really talking about things like freedom of speech or justice or good government or often just not dictatorship, for instance. But we're going to come back to this.